Social problem is any condition or behavior that has negative consequences for a large number of people and that is generally recognized as the condition or behavior that needs to be addressed. India suffers from the host of social issues ranging from poverty to gendered violence. Social issues are the problem that influence the common citizens of the country. Social issues can be the part of our tradition and culture stereotypes. Every country in the world faces different social issues like racism, global warming, corruption, or illiteracy. Few of the burning social issues in India is communalism, racism, gender discrimination, and corruption. Talking about corruption and illiteracy, I would like to specify that not all citizens are corrupted and illiterate. There lies a fact that literate and able people do not wish to stay here anymore, and the reason I find is they want to work in the developed environment rather than developing their own for themselves and others. Yes, I'm talking about brain drain. Brain drain, which means the escape of talented people from their own country to other countries in search of better perspective and career. When a person comes to the stage to contribute to the development of his own motherland, he deserts it for good. Is it not a national loss? Certainly, yes. Every country has certain obligation towards his nation to fulfill. A lot of money is spent making a person highly skilled manager, engineer, doctor, scientist and other persons. But instead of working for the development of the country, he prefers to go abroad in search of money and pleasure. Intelligent and brilliant citizens are national property. Their first and foremost duty is towards their own country and people. The importance of motherland cannot be denied. One cannot disown oneself from the debt of nation. Is it really very hard to repay the debt? But we have certain obligations and duties to discharge towards our nation and people. Generally, it has been observed the brilliant people prefer to go to developed countries where they find ample of opportunities for better perspective and career. As a result of it, concentration of brilliant people in one country leads to loop-sided development of the world. Brain must remain scattered all over the world so that their benefits to be used in the development of the whole world on equal footing. It is said that unless and until better opportunities and conditions are not made available to the people, the problem of brain drain cannot be solved. But who will change the situation and make conditions better? Certainly scientists, philosophers, managers and intellectuals can affect the process and the development of any country. If they defer the work to their generation, how will the situation improve? Will it not be called a national loss? Will it not be a social problem? Think about it. Thank you.